Now let's diagnose the fault code. First, we use our THINKCAR device to diagnose the fault of this vehicle. The main issue is this temperature fault, and the temperature reading is 86. Therefore, it is necessary to remove the battery pack module for repair. The battery pack has been completely removed, and we are ready to open it for maintenance. Move the battery pack to an open area and start using tools to remove the upper cover of the battery pack. Set the upper cover of the battery pack aside and unplug the collector box connector. Unplugging the connector is to prevent damage to the collector box caused by voltage changes during measurement. Unplug the collection line connector of the battery model, mainly to inspect this model. Remove the connecting wires on the corresponding model to disconnect the model to be tested from other models, and wrap the positive electrode connection port with insulating tape to avoid grounding hazards. Remove the upper cover of the model and mainly inspect the wiring harness here. Use a multimeter to test whether there is any fault in the wiring harness of the battery module. After testing, the wiring harness is found to be normal, so the collector box is suspected to be faulty. Remove the collector box of the faulty battery module for inspection. After testing, it is confirmed that the collector box is faulty. The problem is resolved after replacement. Now, insert the wiring harness. What should be noted when inserting the wiring harness?
Check its pins, insert it carefully, otherwise if it is inserted crookedly, the vehicle will fail to power on. Also, pay close attention to the order of the connectors. Inserting them incorrectly will burn the board. It is advisable to touch it when inserting to check for short circuits. If there is a short circuit, the temperature of the board will rise significantly.
After installing the collector box and inserting the wires, we conduct a test and confirm that the fault has been eliminated. Now start installing the battery pack. Put the upper cover of the battery pack back on and begin installing the screws. After the upper cover of the battery pack is installed, start mounting the battery pack onto the vehicle. Align the screw holes on the vehicle with those on the battery pack. Slowly place the frame in the corresponding position of the battery pack, and start installing the screws. Once the battery pack is installed, mark each neck screw. Use the THINKCAR device again to read the BMS data stream and check the battery temperature data. All temperatures are displayed as normal, and it is confirmed that there are no fault codes remaining.